This is February 14th, and we're testing Katie, see if she can feed herself. Hi, Katie. Hi. Here. 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 No, Mama's not gonna do it. You feed. You eat. You're almost one. Here. Take it. Here. Oh, alright. There you go. Alright. Is that good? Here, you do it. Here. Put that in your mouth. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Awesome. Good girl. You wanna try it? Take one out of there. Take one out of there. Come on. Here, take one out of there. Come on. Here. You want Mama to do it? No, no. No, no. Just one. Just one. Do it again. Daddy's watching you. Show Daddy. Show Daddy. Put it in your mouth, honey. Come on. You want me to do it? Here. Chew off that other one, honey, so you don't choke. Okay? No, no. No playing with cord. No, no. You want to try it this time? Is it gone? Did you eat it all? Here. Here. Put it in your mouth, honey. Good girl. Don't play with it. Keep it in your mouth. Good girl. What? Nose good, honey? Huh? Is it good? Here. Put it in the mouth. Put it in your mouth, honey. Show Daddy you can do it. Show Daddy you can do it, honey. Put it in your mouth. Let me help? Honey. Let go. Here it is. She'll do it when you're not looking, but the minute you turn around, she won't. Here. Put in your mouth. Put in your mouth, honey. Good girl. Good girl. Yay, Katie. Yay, Katie.
Say hi to your grandmother.
Hi, Granny. Say hi, Granny. Hi, Granny.
You want to turn it off?